Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start a new series named after the Tech Tips, and today's video is Tech Tips Ash 1. And in this video we are going to know how to block the spam messages on your smartphone. And there is a new update for WhatsApp too, and we can see that one. So let's get started with the video. Spam calls and spam messages are being common in these days. Are you irritated by the spam calls and spam messages? Here is the way to get rid of them. And coming to the analytics, India took 5th place as per the 2019 record, comparing the most spammed countries like Brazil, Peru, Indonesia and Mexico, and India took a 5th place with 25.6%. And the average spam text messages per user per month in India would be 61 messages, and the topmost country is with 119 messages per user per month is Ethiopia. And let us now see how to get rid of those spam messages on your smartphone. Deleting spam messages takes more time and effort, and also some messages may contain malware which help the hackers to hack your phone. If you wonder often how to get rid of these text messages, here there are some solutions which I came up with. So let's see those solutions. Spam texts always have being annoying. These texts hog the notification bar of your smartphone, drain the battery faster, take up space and push down the important messages in the app. Nowadays these unwanted text messages even take up the battery for our smartwatches as well, as they buzz every notification we receive. Also, deleting the spam messages takes up more time and effort, which will waste your time. Many of the companies send the spam messages to promote their products and many more things. This only applies when you want to stop the messages from a certain company. If you get a suspicious message from a random number, don't reply it. If you reply it, they will know the number is valid and your phone gets hacked. You can just block the number that has been bugging you with unnecessary messages. On an iPhone, you can just tap on the phone number from where you got the message and then tap on the info button. There will be an option available to block this caller, and tap on it. Your work is done and you will not get any messages from that number, which will make your phone safer. On the other hand, for the Android smartphone users, you need to open the text message, and just on the top right you will get an 3 dots option. Click on that, and by clicking on the block this number option, and the number get blocked and you will not get any messages. And you can opt for an DND option, do not disturb service, to get rid of unwanted messages as well. If you want to report a particular number for a spam messenger, you can register a complaint to for that, dial 1909 and select the option to register the complaint. Your call will be forwarded to the customer service executive. You will be asked the name of the telemarketer, telephone number or the header of the message like AD alert, which can be seen on your screen now, date and time of the message and the summary of the text received. A complaint will be registered and will be a unique complaint number will be provided to you, and the telemarketer on which you have raised the complaint will contact you within the 7 days of the complaint raised. And this is how you can get rid of the spam messages and the spam calls from the other companies coming to your phone. There is a new update from the WhatsApp. In this update, the WhatsApp bought the storage option, in which we can see the storage, how much is occupied by the messages, chats and so on in the groups present in your WhatsApp, and you can free up the space at the same place. And I will show you how to do that. So let's get started. In your WhatsApp, click on the 3 dots present above, and now go to the settings, and in the settings go to data and storage usage, and here we can see the network usage 1.1 GB sent and 6.3 GB received, and the storage usage is being calculated. Let's wait for a minute. And yeah, here we can see the storage usage is 1.1 GB, and by clicking on it we can see from which how much is storage is taken. And by clicking on the group, and at the down we can see the free up space, and click on that and click on the delete items. and the storage is saved. And this is how you can get rid of the extra space taken by the WhatsApp in your phone, and you can free up much space and let your phone work fast. If you like my explanation, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for the latest tech updates in my channel. And this is Anirudh and I'm signing off.